Hi, it's Keto Granny, and we're going to talk about losing weight with intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet. Now, the first thing that you would need to do when you're wanting to lose weight using intermittent fasting and keto, first of all, pick a fasting schedule that best suits you. And by this, I mean pick a schedule that you can stick to. If you have to start lower and work your way up to more fasting hours, it's okay. Start there and work your way up. A lot of people use the fasting schedule 16 and 8 to start at. That means you'll be fasting for 16 hours, and then for 8 hours, during that 8 hours, you will have your meals. Whether you have one meal, 2 meals, or 3 meals, you will have them within that 8 hour window. Also, there are other fasting schedules, such as 14 and 10, 12 and 12, 20 and 4, and then some people do OMAD, which is 23, and then 1 or just a meal a day. But be sure and pick an intermittent fasting schedule that you can stick to. And remember, the longer that you fast, the more fat you burn. So that's something to keep in mind as you're doing the ketogenic diet. Also remember, only drink acceptable fluids while you're doing the ketogenic diet. And check and make sure which fluids are acceptable. Once you've taken anything that has calories, you have broken your fast. Some people say that you can take in up to, I believe it's 50 calories, and they say that you haven't broken your fast. But I say anytime that you've taken anything that has calories, you have broken your fast, because your body will start looking for whichever fuel to burn. Also, you can drink some black coffee, and that would help suppress your appetite while you're trying to stay within your fasting window. Make sure that you drink lots of liquids because you want to stay hydrated. Fasting and lowering your carb level causes you to lose lots of water, so you want to drink plenty of liquids on keto. Also, you can add apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and some pinch of Himalayan pink salt to your water, and this is going to help replenish your electrolytes. So just remember to stay very well hydrated on the ketogenic diet. Also, you want to eat according to your macros, which is 75% high fat, 20% protein, and 5% of low carbs. Now, if you get a personal evaluation done and they give you different numbers for your fats, proteins, and your carbs, make sure that you follow those and stay within those guidelines. Now, you'll have to get you an app to track the foods that you eat to make sure that you are meeting your macronutrient goals. And the best one that I used so far is Fitness Pal. So with Fitness Pal, you can track your macronutrients as you eat them, and that way you'll be able to adjust these out during the day. Intermittent fasting, your body is already burning fat during your fasting state. So when you add the ketogenic diet, you enter ketosis a lot faster and you continue to burn fat. You will have, like, just because you combine intermittent fasting and keto, you're going to have rapid, accelerated weight loss. As long as you stick to your strict keto diet and you combine it with intermittent fasting, you're going to see great benefits. You can double the amount of fat burned in a day. You will actually be melting fat from your body. Also, you will get into ketosis faster by combining the two. Ketosis is where you'll be burning fat for fuel when not enough carbs are left in our body to be used as fuel. So by fasting for 12 hours or more, you're using fat through ketosis. And with the keto diet, you'll be achieving ketosis through foods you eat. So ketosis, by using both, you double the benefits. And also, you will get what is known as autophagy, and autophagy is great. Autophagy is where your cells are being recycled. Cells consume weaker, older cells, and to make themselves stronger. But when you trigger autophagy, Then you recycle the older cells for new cells, and you repair damaged cells. So autophagy, it has many, many great benefits. You look younger, and you have lots of energy and everything. So these are just some of the benefits that you would get by losing weight by combining intermittent fasting with the keto diet.